So I think it's pretty straightforward up till now, right? But now let's check out the range bound sets. Now these have been discontinued, but again, just for educational purposes, we're going to talk about it really briefly. So I'm going to go right here and choose the ETH Range Bound Low Volatility set. So what does this one talk about or trade at exactly? So this trading set again has been discontinued. However, for the overarching objective was to buy the dip and sell the peak, varying on the designated price window. So with this set, this is the ETH range bound low volatility set. So the low volatility set is for people who believe the price of ETH will swing within a small range in the medium term, as you can see here. So this set automatically rebalanced cash, or the underlying asset and stablecoin was DAI, into ETH if the price of ETH dips more than 30%, and then ETH into cash, or DAI, if the price of ETH rebounds more than 35%. So if it dips 30%, it's going into DAI. If it appreciates more than 35%, we're going to convert it back into ETH. So there's the rebalancing between the two underlying assets. So then the token tolerances are selected to balance profit against risk, preventing token holders from selling into a rally or buying into a drop, yet still taking profits when the downside of missing a trade is too high. So as you can see, this is the performance within the month. Not too bad, up 18%, which is pretty solid. But now let's see how it would rebalance. So it's been 42 days since the last rebalance, so it's been over a month. It might be time to rebalance as far as days go. The current price of this set is $116.75. So it has to go between two ranges. Remember, it is a range bound set. So on the low end, it has to be less than or equal to $89.64, as you can see here, or it has to be above or equal to $120.90 for a price rebalance to be triggered. And then, as you can see, it is not ready to be rebalanced yet. Here we go with the same key facts. Normal rebalancing phases. Rebalancing interval is 14 days. The last rebalance is March 13th, and then the rebalancing tolerance is what we just discussed. The ETH price must be below or equal to $110 or above or equal to $202.